All right, guys, Chuck mentioned this earlier. When we solve equation like this, one of the things I want you to start looking at is, I like the flow chart. All right, the first thing you want to look at is one, do I need to distribute? All right, and remember distribute, let me write number one. Number one is distribute. Oops, DI, distribute. Remember distribute is when you have parentheses. For example, when you have 2 times x plus, say, 4. Okay? In this case, I don't have any parentheses, so there's no need to distribute. All right? So let me erase that. I need more space. Next thing you want to look at is, number two is, I want to group like terms on either side of the equation. All right? And in this one, if I look on the right side, I'm looking for like terms. I have a -8. Let me get another color. I have a -8 and a +12. All right. So grouping means that I can consolidate. So in this case, I'm going to add them. In that case, 12 minus 8 is going to give me 4. All right. So I can write this now as 4 plus 2x. I just bring down the 2x. Let's look on the other side of the equation. Are there like terms? Well, I see there is a 4 and there is a -9. So yes, I can group like terms. A 4 and a -9 gives me a -5. So I have a -5. Oops, what's my green color? I have a -5 and a positive x. Okay? So let me write this over here. Group like terms. Word space. Group like terms. After you do that now, the third thing I want you to do now is move the x to one side of the equation. So let me make that number 3. I'm going to squeeze it right here. Number 3 is to move x, x in quotation, all right, to one side. To one side. And I'm out of space. One side, guys. Ooh, ooh. All right. So let's look at doing that now. I have an x on my left side and 2x on my right side. So I'm going to keep the x on my right side. So let me subtract a minus x here and a minus x there. I draw my line. That goes away. I'm left with a -5 here. Oops, that was a 6. That's a -5. Equal to, the 4 comes down, and then 2x minus x is just x. So I have a plus x. All right. Now I look at the x, put a box around it, and I see that there's a 4 that's added to it. So I want to get rid of that operation. So I'm going to do a subtraction. So that would be -4 here and a -4 there. Draw a line. The 4 goes away. I bring my x down. I got X there. My equal sign, and about -5 and a sorry, I have a -5 and a -4. That gives me a -9. So my answer is x is equal to -9. Okay?